fix old cameras. Your successful completion of the demonstrated repair ultimately depends on the quality of your tools, the condition of your camera, and most importantly, your repair ability.
An Olympus OM-10 with a loose floppy on-off switch is a fairly simple problem and a fairly simple repair. We'll get in close and get started. Begin by popping open the film door and locking the rewind fork to allow for removal of the rewind knob. Remove the screw in the center of the rewind knob and lift the rewind knob free. Next, remove the oversized stubborn snap ring. A snap ring pliers is very helpful as the snap ring has quite a bit of tension. Lift it free and discover the problem. What has happened here is the detent lever, which is held in by two plastic rivets, is fallen free. The plastic rivets have broken. Remove the plastic rivets from the loose piece and drill two small holes into the plastic housing of the switch and install two small screws. Also make sure any misshapen contacts are straightened. When you get done, the piece will look like this. Ready to install. The hump of the detent lever needs to align with the notch of the rewind shaft housing. Tilt the on-off switch slightly toward the notch to get it to slide in place. Work it a couple times to make sure the click stop fills as it should. If it doesn't, you can take it off and increase the tension or decrease the tension on the detent lever. Of course, reinstall all the parts in the reverse order of how they were removed. Also, make certain when installing the rewind knob that the rewind knob lever spring is in the proper position to give the rewind lever tension. As you hold the rewind fork and tighten the rewind knob screw, the slot in the shaft and the notch in the knob will automatically align. Now with the camera reassembled, give it one more try to make sure everything's... Wait a minute. All right, who didn't see that coming? I guess a part was forgotten. The oversized snap ring. Deja vu. Remove the rewind knob by locking the rewind fork and spinning the rewind screw and lifting the rewind knob. Make sure the rewind shaft is pushed up so you don't inadvertently push it all the way through. Whatever. Put the snap ring in place using snap ring pliers. It's stubborn. It keep messing up, but you eventually get it. Now it works like it should. Click stops. Put the rewind knob in place. Remember the rewind knob slot rewind fork slot and the rewind knob notch will align automatically as you tighten the rewind knob. Rewind shaft will need to be held with your thumb while tightening the rewind knob screw. Now that everything works and is installed as it should be, well, done. Test it. Yep, click stops. Good enough. Well, OM-10.
Thank you for watching. Inspired? Check back for new video postings.